All right, this is lab 6.6.8, applied lab formatting elements in a class presentation. All right, copy one of the cloud shapes and paste it onto the same slide above the book. And drag it over there. Change the text in the new cloud to truth. Select all three cloud shapes. And apply a style of your choice from the Shape Styles gallery. So with this, we're going to change it. We'll do that one. Align the three cloud shapes to the middle. So I'm going to put this up here. Align to the middle. And then distribute the three cloud shapes horizontally. So go back to the align, select distribute horizontally, and apply the word art style of your choice to the text within the clouds. So the text inside, we're going to select that one. And then check your answers. That's it.